Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets. And a little heads up, Nexon here in the Tokyo Stock Exchange. And also it's a Korean company and you can find it also in the US and in Europe. So, oh my God, guys, 21% up, 21% up. And if we look here, Nexon, then you can find, you can see that they are 21%. Japan, then that's the Korean number, but this changed already a little bit. And then we have the number here in the US, 25%, and in Frankfurt 31%. So my God, so I'm invested in Nexon, so I profited from this crazy this crazy pump, I would say. So what happened, guys? What happened? So what is this? So I probably think it's sort of a short squeeze, so it's what I think. But on the basis of the foundation of the short squeeze is this news here. Tencent NEXON STOCK after approval for marquee games. So the approval for a game, so DnF, Dungeon and Fighter, and they estimate here this contributes to NEXON sales, and it will now launch in China. So together with Tencent, so NEXON is bringing this game together with Tencent, and this is simply crazy. So if you look here, and I really like the Japanese chart actually. If you look here at the 5-year chart, you can see we're still trading very nicely. So I actually expected the stock going down to the October 2021 lows, but then let's go to Frankfurt. Also here we can see in Frankfurt, so it looks pretty much the same. So I expected here going to the lows there, 1370, and but we jump back now. Now the question is, are we not falling back here again to the lows at the 14-15 euros lows, or are we able to actually break through the 20 euros? So I'm a little bit hesitant here. So if you're invested in Nexon and you bought it around about in the last 2 years, so you're probably very happy about this little pump. But don't get overexcited, my friends. That's always important in investing. Stay the course. So probably we going to see constant growth here. So probably we see constant growth, because if I look at the numbers, see, we have a positive net income. So this is obviously in Korean money, in Korean won, I think is the name. So we have positive revenues and we have positive income. So that's all very good. We have a net profit margin that is unfortunately down. In 2021, it was massively up, 180%. Oh la la. So numbers look decent. Nice Asian gaming company. So a lot of potential from this point of view. Chart looks decent. Look, this is the chart here. This is the chart, and the chart looks good, guys. And the numbers look decent. So everything looks good, and they have over 7,000 people employed. So in the end, this means actually that this company. This company, there are a lot of chances that they also in Tokyo actually here. So there's a lot of chances that this company can grow further. So if we go on Steam, so it's not really a Steam company. It's not that you find all their games here, but you can see on Steam some of their games. You can see Maple Story, you can see Dave the Diver, Kart Rider Drift, so free to play actually Kart Rider Drift. So I have to check this game out. DnF, Dungeon and Fighter Duel, for example, and other games. So it's more a mobile game. So here, this is the game. This is their big game. So here also we're going to have the earnings on the 8th of February, 2022 annual message to Nexon shareholders. So read through this if you're interested a little bit more in this company, and also on the investor relation page you'll find some interesting news here. So this is from Bloomberg. So Bloomberg was actually announcing this message here. So, and then also if we go, I'm clicking now here, if we go now on YouTube, so I think it is this game. I'm not really sure it's this game, but Dungeon Fighter Online, I think this is probably this game, or it's a new version of this game, probably. So something like this. So it's definitely a game they can monetize massively and make a lot of money out of it. So it looks very good, and here already you see with all those rewards, etc. So if I click on gameplay, I see nothing, but maybe I have a have an ad blocker on, so sometimes this is also possible. Guys, this is it. I just wanted to tell you this with Nexon, so I'm invested, so I'm quite happy that we are seeing the company coming back. But overall, I like the chart, and I think as long as they make those games that really are making good revenues, then the company looks okay-ish. So no financial advice, just my personal opinion as a YouTuber. So probably, yeah, don't buy anything you see on my channel or on any other YouTube channel, obviously, as always, because you can lose all your money, guys. So see you next time. Bye bye.